What is going on, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you guys my method to get unlimited diamonds, unlimited keys in Choices, guys. If you've been playing Choices and you want unlimited diamonds and unlimited keys, this is the method that I recommend using, guys. It's got so many things, so many variations. There is basically a hacked app that you guys can get, a tweaked app, if you will, and it allows you to get it allows you to get VIP. You can also unlock every chapter, and also I think turn off ads just like at the click of a button. It's really easy. It downloads really easy and quick, and it works on all the devices too, which is nice. I'm gonna go ahead and stop my babbling and kind of show you what I'm talking about. Let's just jump right into it. Okay, guys. So as you can see right here, I am running Choices on my iPhone 11. Now my iPhone 11 is great, and I have no problems with it. That is why I do not have a different phone. Basically, though, if you do have an Android or an iPad or an iPhone, I've tested it on most devices, and it does work on all of them. I tried it on my buddy's phone, and it worked great. So don't worry if you don't have an iPhone 11, it still works. But yeah, I'm here on Choices, and you guys can see right up here, I'm in kind of the normal store. You probably see, wait a second, what is that little plus button? I'm gonna click that, and that's gonna open up the Choices mod menu. Now, this is version 5.1. I got it when it was version 4. No ads was just added, which is sick. But yeah, I mean, literally, we can just go ahead, turn on unlimited diamonds, unlimited keys, VIP chapters, all that kind of stuff. I'll just hit this activate button, guys. Just wait a second. It's going to load. It has to resync with the server, but watch my resources. Holy crap. Literally every time I do that, it's crazy. But that is 100,000 keys, 100,000 diamonds, or at least it looks like it. It's actually infinite. It's more than that, but it can't show more than that. So yeah, it literally is, it breaks the game. That's how many you get. So, anyways, I'm sure you guys are probably a little bit more curious. My version doesn't look like that. It's because I have a different version. I have a slightly different variation, guys, and I'm going to show you how to get this version right here. The only way that you can get this version is if you use these two apps right here, guys. I'm talking about Safari and Settings. Safari and Settings. If you guys do not have Safari, that is okay. You can use any other internet browser. It doesn't necessarily have to be Safari. But let's go ahead and hop into it. And we're going to go to this website right here. This is the Tweak Valley store, guys. TweakValley. Type that in, hit go, and that's going to bring you here, tweakvalley.com. Tweak Valley, this is where everything is kind of conglomerated. This is where it all is. These are all of the hacked apps, but there is Choices. So we're going to go ahead and hit that install button next to it. And what that's going to do is that's going to begin a process called, it's going to download, figuratively. It says installing, but it's downloading something called a configuration profile. A configuration profile is, it's kind of Apple's word for like a hacked app. It's just a fancy word, I guess, because it is not downloaded on the App Store. Technically, it's not an app. It's a profile. So you'll have to bear with me on the terminology. But we're waiting for a notification to pop up here asking us if we want to allow the download to happen at all. So we're waiting for that notification to pop up. And there it is. Boom. Let's go ahead and hit that allow button. And then it says, as you can see, that it wants us to review the profile in our settings. So we're going to do that. We're going to hop into our settings, and guys, I'm in VPN and device management right now. That's fourth from the bottom on general in your iPhone settings. So there it is, downloaded profile. Let's go ahead and hit this install button up in the top right corner and type in your regular unlock password, the regular password used to unlock your phone. Hit next, and then hit install. After that, guys, you should be good, so hit done because you are done, and unless I'm mistaken, and I rarely am, guys, yes, Choices is ready to go. And this is the version that you guys can get all of the stuff that you want on for free. Enjoy, guys. Thanks for watching.